So hi all, today we will do IPv6 routing. So for this, I will take two routers, 2811 and one PC. I am directly connected with one router, and with the other router I am taking switch also, and then I am taking two more and terminal devices. So now connect all. By using cross cable we can connect both the routers with each other. Now by cross cable, one router and the PC, because they are of the same nature. Then straight cable, connect router with the switch, any fast Ethernet port of the switch, again straight cable with the switch and the available PCs. Now this is a scenario, right? Now we will configure. This is router 1, suppose, or router A, and this one is router B. I am renaming it to B. Alright, so router A and router B. So I'm going to configure router A first. Open it. CLI. Would you like to enter? No. Enable. Configure terminal. Interface. I think in my case it is FA 0 by 0. So interface FA 0 by 0. Enter. Sorry, spelling mistake is there. So interface FA 0 by 0. Now IP address. Now, which command is here? IPv6 address. Now I am giving simple address. It includes 8 blocks, right? So I am giving accordingly. 0001. We can abbreviate it and we can simply write 1 colon 0002. I am writing 2 0003. I am writing 3 0004. I am writing 4 0005. I am writing this 5 0006. I am writing simply 6 0007. I am writing simply 7 0008. I am writing simply 8, like this. Otherwise, without abbreviation, the address is 0001 colon 0002 0003 0004 0005, like that. Slash 64. It means half of the address is divided into network and half is for the host, right? So no shutdown. Similarly, I can configure another interface of the router, that is FA 0 by 1, which is connected with the machine PC. So FA 0 by 1. Here IPv6. Here I am using another network, so I differentiate with the first block. I am using here 0002. So suppose I am writing, or you can use any hexadecimal because it is a hexadecimal address. So I am simply using suppose 2 or any hexadecimal also. Suppose I am using capital A. Capital A means 10, B is 11, C is 12 in case of hexadecimal, right? Colon 2, colon 3, colon 4, colon 5, colon 6, colon 7, colon 8, colon 8 slash 64, right? Address is missing, so I have to write the address also. Now it is fine. No shutdown, no shutdown, right? Both the interfaces are configured. So here we can do the dynamic routing. For this, the command is I'm using, first of all, I am exiting from this interface mode, so I write exit. Now we are in the global configuration mode. Here we have to write IPv6 unicast routing, unicast routing. Okay, the next command is IPv6 router rip, and here I am making a uh, uh, ID, process ID, right? You can use any keyword for that. I am suppose writing here N1, right? This command can identify a routing process, specific IPv6 routing process. Okay, IPv6 router rib N1. Then on which interface you want to apply the router rib. So I'm opening interface FA 0 by 0. Here we have to write the command IPv6 rep, process ID is N1, and enable it. Similarly for the another interface, that is FA0 by 1, same command IPv6 rep N1 enable. Alright, so on this router the IPv6 has been configured. Now we will switch to the next router. Close this window, come to this CLI. Router is B. Would you like to enter? No. Enable configure terminal. Here the interface is this one, FA0 by 0. It is connected with router A. Interface FA0 by 0. In this case I have given earlier address 1 colon 2 colon 3, that network. So I am using similarly same network. So IPv6 address 1 colon 2 colon 3 colon 4 colon 5 colon 6 colon 7 colon. Here I am using 9. Earlier I have used 8 slash 64. No shutdown. It is up now. Just check. Colors are changed into green color. Now its other interface is FA0 by 1 of B router, which we have to configure, and it is in the another network, third network. So interface FA0 by 1, IPv6 address. Here I am using some another network, suppose B, capital B, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 slash 64. Uh, no shutdown. Yes. Now we will apply IPv6 routing on this, that is dynamic routing. So for this I just exit once, go to the global configuration mode. Now I write a common command IPv6 unicast routing. Then we have to make a keyword for a process ID IPv6, then router rep. Then I am creating another keyword here, suppose n2. Now on which command, on which interface you have to apply this. So I'm opening the interface FA0 by 0. Here I am applying the another command IPv6 rep n2 and enable it. Similarly for the second interface FA0 by 1 IPv6 rep n2 and enable it. Done. So these are the commands for dynamic routing in case of IPv6 addressing. So close it. Now configure the these machines PC3 of this first router, desktop IP configuration. Now do not go for IPv4, go for IPv6. This address here we have used A here, na A 2 3 4 5 6 5 6, 7, and 9 I am giving, and slash is 64, and gateway becomes A, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. This is a gateway. So done. Similarly, go for the other machines. Oh, sorry, I'm written wrong over here. 8, done. Gateway, gateway is the IP address of the interface of the router. So here is B network, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Uh, no, here we will give 9, suppose. 8 is a gateway. So I'm copying and pasting in the gateway text box, and 8 is a gateway. Now. Similarly for the second machine, 10 I am giving here, 64, gateway is your 8. Alright, just check once this address, 9 and 8 is a gateway. Alright, so this here we have given which IP address, I'm just labeling it. IPv6 address of this interface, that is FA0 by 1, and for this machine the IP is this 9, 8 act as a gateway, default gateway. Just check it, that is 8. Alright, similarly for these, this network is your 1, this is your B. Now we will check with the ping command. I'm checking with ping command from this machine to B network. B, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, not 8, 9. Here is all 5, 6, 7, and 9. Now, yes, reply is coming. So in this way, you can configure the IPv6 uh, by using IPv6 addressing. You can configure dynamic routing, right? So please do, and you can change the addresses also. Thank you.